Hey guys, good morning. This is Chris and Jerry, dirt bike enthusiasts. Right now we're inside WeFix Automotive. This is where the location we'll bring our dirt bikes to fix. So we're very excited because we have this 2005 Honda CRF 450R. The owner rebuilt the top end, but they cannot get it started. So we're gonna work on it, and we're gonna see what's wrong with the bike, and we'll keep you an update on to the next video. See what went wrong on this bike, and I will be happy to ride this bike on the spring or for this coming season. So yeah, stay tuned. Whoever loves dirt bikes, this is a good sports, and if you love to join us there and to do a dirt bike, and we'll be happy to come along with you. We're just beginners dirt bikers, but we love dirt biking, so we'll see you soon. Okay, what we have here we have a 2005 Honda R450. So this one doesn't start, and we have to figure out, see what's wrong with it. And right now we're at WeFix. We're bringing this bad boy inside, and we'll see what happened. Ciao.
Hey buddy, what's up? Chris. Okay, nandito na yung bike. So, ito yung bike. Anong bang problema na ito, bro?
Right now we don't know yet, so we have to find out and see. This is a 2005 Honda CRF 450R, so we don't know what's wrong with it. And me and Jerry are gonna try and have fun with this bike, and hoping that we can find the problem and solve the problem with this and get it started. So what do you think, Jerry, will be a problem for this one?
Okay, first, in order to keep it running, make sure you got a good spark, you got a fuel, and you got a good air. And this is a 4-stroke, so timing is very important. If you're off with the timing, then the bike won't start.
Yeah, so far this one, so everything is sticking out. So classic is off already, and yeah, so we're gonna start taking out the top part for this one. So the rocker cover gasket. The top part is the cover gasket, and we start from the bottom here. We might probably take the gasket out as well. The exhaust has to come out as well. So we have to do all of those, and in order for us to start the issue with this bike. So me and Jerry will try and get it, see if this afternoon can be done, and hoping that the bike will be starting. So yeah.
We'll set this one for 29 foot-pound. Moment of truth. So, na-check na namin lahat. Timing. Sinet namin yung timing, retorque. Ano po ba? Spark. Torque. Ano po ba? Spark. Okay naman yung spark. So, good luck. Tingnan natin kung aandar. Alam mo problema? Yung spark plug, yung nakita ko, putol. Kasi sinuksok ko maigi eh. Alright! So, balik na natin lahat yung mga parts and then road test.